Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to measure distance and area in Google Maps on your Android. So first of all, obviously open the Google Maps and hold any point you want to measure from on the map. And when the red point appears, swipe up and you should see the option of measure distance. Now move the map and add the point for each turn, and also each point is equals more precise measurement, and continue adding points until reaching your end point, and the total distance appears at the bottom. So now you know how to measure distance in Google Maps on Android. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more Google Maps tricks.